Here we are going to find out the vector product in terms of rectangular components. Let us consider the first vector as a bar vector. It can be written in terms of its component in rectangular coordinate system as ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap. Here I cap, j cap and k cap are the unit vectors along x-axis, y-axis and z-axis, and ax, ay, az are the component of the vector a bar along x-axis, y-axis and z-axis respectively. Similarly, we can take the second vector as b bar vector. It can be written in terms of its rectangular components as bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. Now vector product of these two vectors a bar and b bar can be written as a bar cross b bar. Now take the RHS as the vector product of RHS of above two equations. So here ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap cross the second vector bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. Okay. Now here take the cross product of each of this component with all the three component of the second bracket. So here we can write the next term as ax I cap cross the second vector bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap plus ay j cap cross bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap plus az k cap cross bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. Now the take cross product of this term with each of these term. So here ax I cap cross bx I cap plus ax I cap cross by j cap plus ax I cap cross bz k cap. Then the next term ay j cap cross bx I cap plus ay j cap cross by j cap plus ay j cap cross bz k cap. And the third term can be splitted as az k cap cross bx I cap plus az k cap cross by j cap plus az k cap cross bz k cap. Now here we cannot take this cross product directly. We have to write this term as ax bx. These are the multipliers, and we have to take the cross product of these unit vectors I cap cross I cap. So write down this term as ax bx into I cap cross I cap. And similarly ax by I cap cross j cap plus ax bz into I cap cross k cap. Then the second line can be written as ay bx j cap cross I cap. Don't change order here because order is important. Ay by j cap cross j cap plus ay bz j cap cross k cap. Similarly the third line az bx into k cap cross I cap plus az by k cap cross j cap plus az bz k cap cross k cap. Now here we have to use the vector identities as I cap cross I cap is equal to 0 because self cross product is always equal to 0 as sin 0 is 0. Similarly j cap cross j cap is also equal to 0 and k cap cross k cap is also equal to 0. And then I cap cross j cap is equal to k cap. Third vector, vector product of I cap and j cap is equal to k cap. Similarly, j cap cross k cap is equal to I cap. See here order I, j, k, and k cap cross I cap is equal to j cap. If we write j cap cross I cap, means order is reversed, then here we can get minus k cap. K cap cross j cap we can get here minus I cap, and I cap cross k cap can give the value minus j cap. So we are going to use these identities to solve above equations. We know that I cap cross I cap is equal to 0, so this term can be cancelled. Then j cap cross j cap is equal to 0, so this term can be cancelled, and k cap cross k cap equal to 0, so this last term can also be cancelled. And then the remaining term ax by, we know that I cap cross j cap is equal to k cap, so here we can write ax by into k cap, then ax bz into I cap cross k cap. Here I cap cross k cap, if we reverse this order then we can get minus j cap, so here this term becomes ax bz into minus j cap. Minus sign I have taken here in the middle of this term. Then the next term ay bx and j cap cross I cap. Here j cap cross I cap becomes minus k cap. Then ay bz j cap cross k cap. J cap cross k cap is equal to I cap, so here I can write plus ay bz to I cap. Then the third line az bx k cap cross I cap. K cap cross I cap is equal to j cap, so here az bx into j cap minus k cap cross j cap. K cap cross j cap, we know that minus I cap, so here this term becomes az by into I cap. Then take the similar terms, that means terms of I cap, terms of j cap, and terms of k cap in the same bracket. So we can write here, we can take the term related to I cap first, so I cap can be taken outside the bracket. Then the remaining term ay bz minus az by. Then the terms related to j cap, j cap can be taken outside the bracket. We can write ax bz minus az bx plus k cap ax by minus ay bx. If we see these terms of I cap, j cap, and k cap, we can correlate this equation with the determinant form. Now here we in the terms of determinant we can write I cap, j cap, k cap, and the second row as ax, ay, az, and the third row as bx, by, bz. If we solve this determinant, then we can get this equation. So we can write here a bar cross b bar is nothing but determinant of I, j, k with rows ax, ay, az, and bx, by, bz. So that's all. Thank you.